It's Abhimanyu Chaudhary from class 10C. Now here we are with the CO63 Sri Chote Lal in Ayodhya of CRPF. So sir, what do you think and what are your opinions regarding some nature conservations and what you have opinion regarding the subject?
To conserve the nature, government have decided to plant saplings at nationwide. Accordingly, we have been given task to plant 10,000 sapling this year. Out of tasked 10,000 sapling, we have already planted 6,000 of saplings of various kind of trees like peepal, bargad, neem, mangoes, lemon, and many other plants we are planting at the various places of the Ayodhya district with the help of forest department and civil administration, and with the help of Gram Pradhan we are ensuring the safety of the plants. As we know, oxygen is the main thing for the survival of human being as well as all creatures. So we, as world is facing the problem oxygen, we are lacking oxygen all over the world. Earth is getting warm day by day because of the pollution and due to lack of the oxygen. So government has tasked us to plant trees at as many as possible. Accordingly, we have been tasked, and all department almost have been tasked to plant saplings as much as possible to conserve our nature. Thank you.
And what uses you see by planting the saplings in the future generation?
We are making people to be aware to our Jawans, their families. People are being aware by our Jawans. We are organizing gatherings. We are briefing local people about the importance of oxygen, and trees are the only source of oxygen, and with the deforestations we are lacking many things. We are facing many diseases all over the world, and recently we have seen during the COVID waves that due to lack of oxygen we lost many lives, and human civilization is being affected with the lack of oxygen. That's why government have decided to plant saplings at nationwide, and not only nation, whole world is emphasizing on the planting saplings as much as possible to keep our earth green. Thank you.
And what is your opinion regarding what school should take precautions for nature conservation? What, in which subject do you think how we can make participation more efficient in school regarding the nature conservation or planting trees?
I think students are the future of the nation, and they should be make aware about the importance of the oxygen, and we can get oxygen only from the plants, and human survival, human civilization is based on the oxygen. So without oxygen we cannot survive. So everybody should know. Accordingly, all students should know the importance of oxygen. Without oxygen we cannot survive even a single minute. So everybody should take a oath. Everybody should take it as a life and should plant at least one tree, and ensure that uh, planted tree is safe and being taken care of to grow up, and uh, which can give oxygen in our future and coming future of human civilization.
So thank you for watching this video.